In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom QR code with a full tutorial for 2025. This is a simple process that will help you share your Google Classroom join link easily, especially for students who may not have easy access to email invitations. Let's dive into the steps so you can start using QR codes for your classroom in no time. First, log into your Google Classroom account. Once you're logged into your account, head over to your subject dashboard where you see all your classes listed. This is an essential step because it's from here that you'll begin the process of generating a QR code for one of your specific classes, ensuring it's as easy to distribute as possible. When you're on the dashboard, find the class for which you want to create the QR code. Next to the class code, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these 3 dots to pull up additional options. This button holds a menu that sometimes gets overlooked, but it's full of useful shortcuts that are perfect for tasks like this one. Now, you'll see an option that reads Copy Class Invite Link. Click on that option to copy the unique link to your clipboard. This link is crucial because it contains all the necessary information to invite someone to your class, and we'll be transforming this into a QR code in just a moment. With this invite link copied, open a new browser tab and go to qrcode.io. This website is a handy tool for creating QR codes quickly and efficiently without any cost. Here, you should see a selection of choices for different types of QR codes. For our purpose, click on the option for website. This is because your classroom invite link is a URL, and this section will let you create a QR code that links directly to it. In the field provided, paste in the class invite link that you copied earlier. Make sure it pasted correctly, as accuracy is key to ensuring the QR code directs users to the right class when scanned. Once your link is pasted and double-checked, go ahead and click the Next button. After clicking Next, the site will guide you to a new page where you have the opportunity to customize your QR code or simply move on. To finalize the process, click on the Create button. This final step will generate your QR code, which can be downloaded and shared virtually or printed out for physical distribution. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Google Classroom invite link. This QR code can now be seamlessly used to let students join your class with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips.